Believe in yourself. With this type of quote, we can start our today's session. I am Rajalakshmi, Assistant Professor in Department of AIDS, and now we are going to study about the idea generation topic in design thinking subject. What is meant by idea generation? In design process, it's a major stage, it's an idea generation. There are 5 different stages, that is, first one is analysis and immersion and ideation and prototyping, and final one is an implementation. Here we are going to see about the third stage, idea generation. The basic design direction. What is meant by idea generation? A basic design direction. We are just creating a new design from already an invented design or the existing products. We are creating a new products. Here we are creating a new products with 2 different aspects. First one is a divergence and second one is a convergence, and third one is a transformations. Divergence is nothing but we are different moving away design to different directions from the common point. And convergence is nothing but we are moving towards and one common point is a convergence. And then transformation is a qualitative change in the appearance of a character. What is meant by the qualitative change? Difference between a quantitative or qualitative is nothing but we are immense character, we are insisting character or some ideation which gives the quality of product to the customer. Really in design thinking we is based on much type of user-centric and customer-centric, it's mainly based on. So, we are doing that directions. These are the basic design directions we are already have invented, and we have transformed or converged or diverged to different aspects. For example, Chrome, the older version is this, older symbol is, and the new symbol is this. And for YouTube, this one is an older logo and this one is a new logo. And for the Instagram, it's an older one and it's a new one. And for PCs, the older PCs or the computers, and now we have a laptop size differing PCs. And in the it's a major difference on mobile. Older one is a telephone and new is a mobile. And this is an old core version, it's a new core version. And these are all the basic design directions. The design directions might be on 3 points: point of difference, clustering, inclusive design. Point of difference is nothing but how the unique selling point. That means the difference between the woman product and men product. What is the uniqueness between the 2 brands? The brand is same, the company is same, but what is the unique selling between these 2 major products? That one is a unique selling point. And then clustering is nothing but group of clusters, group of items which are in the one place, it's a clustering. And inclusive design is common to the society, the designs or the product which is used for commonly, for example notebook, pen, or used for all category of peoples, from children to the old age we can use it of. And the next topic is theme of thinking. Theme of thinking is fitting of large quantities or products in a limited space. This is a major theme or a major stage in the theme of thinking. These are the themes of thinking. Keep it short and simple. First one is a keep it short and simple. What is meant by keep it short and simple? These are the user needs. Stakeholders idea is this. In one product we need all type of items like nail smoothening and bottle openers and somewhat screwdrivers. These are all the stakeholders wishes, but we have make it as a simple of a user needs in this frame. And this and next one is a focus. What is meant by focus? Just we need to focus on a simple things, and the product should be focused on particular area like this one. This is a focus. And top down and bottom up. Top down and bottom up is, for example, for building a house. Building a house, what are the stages from the bottom to the top? Foundation. First we need to put a foundation, and exteriors and inside. We need to split up into 3 major parts. And then foundation, what are we all doing? Digging, footing and foundation walls. And in exterior, what we have done? Roughing, exterior walls and roof. And then in inside, what we are doing? Flooring, walls, ceiling. And the inside also defined as trims and cabinets. And then we are splitting an exterior into or roughing into studs and windows and doors. So, these are the top up to bottom. And next one is Osgo's razors. Osgo's razors is nothing but the principle that elements are not really needed, but should be paired back to produce something simple. We need to something simple which is not needed, but we need to provide the customer in a simple manner is a Osgo's razor. Python philosophy. What is meant by Python philosophy? Python philosophy is nothing but simple is better than complex. Then beautiful is better than ugly. Sparse is better than something. Okay. Then white space, and the white space, text minimization, graphic impact, scale and user-centric design or the comes under the Python philosophy. What is meant by white space? White space is between the designs. We are making a space, it is known as a white space, and text minimization is nothing but first we have sort and keep it short and simple is a text minimization. And scale is nothing but it is scalable for all type of users. And then user-centric design is nothing but it should be a user-centric, or it should be an depends on the user needs we need to provide. The main of design thinking is already I have said that is an user-centric. So, now we are also maintain this as same of that. And final one is an ergonomics. Ergonomics is nothing but make it in a simple manner is an ergonomics. Ergonomics is nothing. Just in a mixie, we had seen that one option is a blend only, but here we can make it for each things we had make it as an each different manner. For example, nowadays juicer in mixie all items are there, juicer, smasher, cutter, and even the coconut trays are cutting in a mixie razor. So, these are the main ergonomics we are saying. And Tim Towdy is nothing but, see, this is all the ergonomics. It is make a innovative and user friendly and it is comfortable to the user and is need for the user in a basic area. That means the holder in the bus, the seat, the computerized seat or our normal rolling chair is designed as like this. Tim Towdy is nothing but we can create an innovative way, but it should be user understandable in manner. And this is a inspiration, and another next topic is inspiration and references. Inspiration and references is nothing but as we have inspired by some Converge statues and we have implemented in our institute. This is the inspiration and reference. Inspiration is essential in any creativity and design is no exception. This is a time of inspiration is a key generation of existing designs, ideas and design professionals draw inspiration from innumerable sources. So, we have inspired by our Converge statue and we have built in our institute is an inspirations and reference. This is the main theme or a main advertisement we have seen in the Mahindra Marozo that we have that they have designed from blue whale, that whale to that Mahindra Zips. Just we see it should be, and next one is reference points. What is meant by reference points? It should be in idea books, observations of the streets, in films, on TV that we have referred. Referred is nothing but from the thing that we inspired that things and we referred to them. For example, if we go and stay somewhere or we have eat some foods Nowadays the foodie that vlogs are inspired by our young generation. So, foodies vlog is the main theme of our social influencers. So, they are going and eating in some places and they giving studies about the foodies. These foods are better in this hotel, you can try that, this is a rate of this for foods in the hotel. So, that is a reference, they are giving a reference to us and we are going and eating on that place. So, observation on the streets, in films, on TV, in magazines. For example, I have said in social media, in YouTube, in music, in architecture, in photography. These are all the references points. And next topic is a brainstorming. Brainstorming is nothing but the group discussion. Okay, it is a group discussion approach for during an ideate stage. We are using a group discussion approach is nothing but a brainstorming. In brainstorming, what are the points need to be followed? For example, you need not to be criticize the group members and you need not be keep the process manager free and then avoid resolve, work to a target, clock watch, let's go and be inclusive. These are all the brainstorming methods: visualization, groups and voting, scribble, say, slap, assumption criteria, that is nothing but cross resource required and resource fitness for the purpose and the resource availability and scoring system. And next topic is a value. In ideation generation, the value stage, the value is nothing but it adds a value. That means, see, if we are creating an item in a brand, the items creates a brand to that. For example, value is linked with the productivity, the work completion and the cost and the effort of the person, effort of our company, effort of our customer satisfaction is important. It is a value. Add value directly by boosting the sales also, the sales will be also increased. You see that in both these they have made that wedding grooms and bridegroom's name and grooms and bridegroom's photos, which increase their values, increase their selling and also their efforts, make the customer satisfied and it should be in a perfect timing, they should be delivered in a perfect timing. These are all the values. This is a main theme for the values, that result plus process, the ratio between the result plus process and the price plus effort. What are the we need to put for the customers. And inclusion. Inclusion is nothing but what the target audience need. For example, our target audience is the kids, they are also needs the crayons, the boxes, snacks box and water can. These are all a combo offer, like we have seen in a combo manner, that all in one place, that the target audience needs. So, design must be focused on communicating to the and not just the taste of the designers who create it. And then sketching. Sketching means just we need to sketch, quickly put on ideas on a paper is nothing but a sketching. We need to draw an idea in a sketching in a paper manner. That means there are two types, macro level and micro level. Macro level is nothing but produce an initial design idea or concept is on macro level. What is on micro level? To refine elements to the design prior to the final workup is a design to the final workup is a micro level. And presenting ideas, for example, if my presentation was not good, the whole thing will be spoiled. So, this is a presenting idea. Your customer all the things are good, but in presentation some of the products are lost due to the presentation. So, if my presentation was good, it will the videos will be reach, but my presentation is not good, even the things I am saying it is in a slide is useful, but it will not reach to a audience. So, this is a presentation ideas. And presenting ideas, like that of brainstorming, we are also having some checklist in a presenting ideas. What you need to do? You need to focus on a key information and visuals. Mainly we need to focus on a key information and visuals. Have bulletin points, main thing, and need to key decision and explain clearly what we want to see need to be explained clearly, and permitted to the high quality, and visuals mounted on boards clients to handle, and need to practice your presentation. Since I need to practice for my presentation to present in front of you. So, practice is must for presentation ideas. And there are spelling and grammatical errors should not be there, and have terms been consistently. And this is a summary of our ideation process. First you have your basic design direction, what are the direction, convergence, divergence, and then transformations, and themes of thinking. We are think about focus. These are the themes of thinking. Inspiration and references, we have seen about the Kamaraj Perundalevar Kamaraj statue. It's a inspiration and references, and brainstorming, as we know that it's a group discussion idea process, and value, we know that the customer value, the brand and the efforts of the companies to satisfy the customer needs, and the inclusion is nothing but target audience should be reach their goals for we need to achieve a goal for the target audience is nothing but inclusion. And sketching, we need to bring an idea in a sketching manner, and the presenting an ideas is nothing but now I am presenting with you, it's a presenting ideas. And thank you for your patience for listening my session.